Have you ever looked at a creature and thought, there's no way this thing is from Earth? Because honestly, some animals don't just look weird, they defy logic. They glow in the dark, survive in boiling acid, clone themselves, and even live without brains. Welcome to Discover Weird, where today we're diving into the strangest, most alien-like creatures that actually live among us, right here on planet Earth. Stay till the end, because the last animal might completely change how you think about life itself. Let's start with a creature that literally cheats death. Meet the immortal jellyfish, Turritopsis stornii. When most animals age and die, this jellyfish simply resets its life cycle. When it's injured or old, it transforms its body cells back into a baby stage, called a polyp, and starts life all over again. It's like your grandmother turning back into a newborn baby instead of dying. Scientists say it's the only known animal capable of biological immortality, and if that's not alien, what is? Now imagine an animal with shape-shifting superpowers. The mimic octopus doesn't just camouflage, it pretends to be other animals. It can stretch its arms to look like a lionfish, flatten itself to mimic a stingray, or slither along the sand like a venomous sea snake. It studies its surroundings and copies the body language of other species. That's not just survival, that's intelligence at another level. Some marine biologists say it behaves more like an actor than an octopus. Next up, meet the axolotl, the animal that refuses to grow up. It stays in its larval stage forever. Scientists call this neoteny. But the weirdest part? If you cut off its leg, it'll grow back perfectly. If you damage its spine, it repairs it. Even parts of its heart and brain can regenerate. Humans are trying to unlock its DNA secrets to advance medical science, and maybe one day, regrow human organs. Alien behavior with real-world benefits. You've probably heard of the tardigrade, also known as the water bear. It's so tiny you need a microscope to see it, but it's practically indestructible. Boiling water? Freezing ice? Vacuum of space? The tardigrade just shrugs. In 2007, scientists literally launched them into space, and they survived. They can pause their life for decades by drying themselves out and then come back to life with a drop of water. They're like Earth's backup drive, built for cosmic survival. This next creature looks beautiful, but it's deadly powerful. The mantis shrimp has the fastest punch in the animal kingdom, faster than a bullet leaving a gun. Its claw moves so fast it boils the water around it, creating a mini shockwave. If it hit you, it could shatter glass. And if that's not enough, its eyes can see 12 types of color receptors. Humans have only 3. It can detect ultraviolet, infrared, and polarized light, a vision system so advanced, scientists are still trying to understand it. It's basically a biological alien weapon. Now, this one isn't an animal, but it turns animals into zombies. Meet the Ophiocordyceps fungus. It infects ants, takes over their brain, and makes them climb high onto leaves. Then, the fungus kills them and grows right out of their bodies, releasing spores to control the next victim. If you saw this in a sci-fi movie, you'd call it unrealistic. But it's real, happening quietly in the forests of South America every single day. Finally, we can't ignore the octopus, nature's closest thing to an alien mind. It has 9 brains, blue blood, and 3 hearts. Each arm can think and react independently. Octopuses can open jars, solve puzzles, recognize faces, and even escape from aquariums. Their intelligence is so unusual that scientists are rethinking what consciousness means. Some even say, if evolution started again, the octopus might be the dominant intelligent species instead of humans. So maybe aliens don't need to come from another planet. They've been here all along, glowing, regenerating, shape-shifting, surviving the impossible. From immortal jellyfish to zombie ants, these creatures remind us how weird and wonderful life on Earth truly is. If you enjoyed this dive into the strange side of nature, don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep watching for more mind-bending discoveries every week, only on Discover Weird. Because sometimes the weirdest things are the most real.